Hey dollies, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Des, and today we have an American Girl unboxing. So exciting. This is my first American Girl in years. My last one was probably either Grace or Sage Girl of the Year. It probably was Grace. Like, I feel like she was like 2015 or something, like just later. And yeah, like I just have, I believe like 6. I'm gonna have a video on my other American Girl dolls, but I am so excited for this one because as I've gotten back to the brand recently, I've just fallen in love with the new historical characters, and especially this one, which is Melody. And so as you can see, I'm wearing a Melody inspired outfit. You might be able to tell or not. Obviously, I have a different hair color than usual. I'm wearing black. And so yeah, I am so excited to show you guys my new doll in the box. And it also comes with a little pet, which is my first American Girl pet. So I'm so excited about that. So I'm just gonna hop on into the video and show you guys my new dolly. I am so excited. So yeah, let's just get into it. So I have this adorable box cutter. It's pink from Daiso. Daiso has the cutest merch. But yeah, there's tons of tape, so it's gonna take a bit to unwrap this. So let me just do that. So there's tons of tape, like just all around this box. So I managed to get the bottom open. Like, so I'm just gonna pull her out, and you can see her feet first. So I'm so excited. I see her covered in bubble wrap and stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Here she is. Here's the doll. Wow. Oh, and you can see the doggy in there. So cute. So that's probably, I don't know if it's American Girl doll or our generation, but it's so cute, like the 18-inch doll pet. Oh, so I'm just going to get into her now. Oh, I'm so excited. I already see her little headband. I forgot if she came with the headband. I actually thought she didn't, so I was like literally thinking of how I was gonna make her ribbon headband again, but no, she has it, and it is so beautiful. So yeah, I am so excited. Melody is the 1964 doll, so she's from the 60s, and oh my gosh, I watched her movie and wow, it was so amazing. And I think all the American Girl movies are amazing. Like, if you're a fan of American Girl, or even just not, you should watch them. Oh my gosh, she is so pretty. Oh my gosh, so cute. So here she is. Oh, my newest AG doll, Melody. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with her and her outfit and her hair. Obviously, as you can see, I'm like into the same type of styles. Like I had this like on deck, the merch. So yeah, she's just so cute. Her hair, I love the little like bottom flare, and just that it's short, because I've been wanting a short hair doll, and she's so beautiful. I love her darker skin tone, because I've been wanting, you know, more darker skin dolls, so I'm so excited. Oh, she's so gorgeous. And she has beautiful dark eyes. I love her bangs. I'm a bang girly. I'm obsessed with bangs, especially bangs on dolls. So I'm so excited to have another AG with bangs. This is my second AG with bangs. She's so cute. So yeah, Melody, she's into music. She is, yeah, from the 60s. So as you can see, she has a retro 60s style, very mod inspired, you know. She has these really cute Mary Janes. They're kind of big, so these might not be her official ones. I don't think they are, because I think her other ones, like, I don't know, these might be. They actually might be. But usually the Our Generation shoes are bigger, and these look a little bigger. But they're really cute, and they kind of are very 60s. They have the flower power logos at the bottom. And yeah, they're Mary Jane, so they're perfect and fit her so nice. So yeah, you can just see they're like only a tiny bit loose. So that's the only reason I'm like, they might be Our Generation. But either way, I am so happy with her. She was a great score, because AG dolls, if you don't know, they are usually like this. She retails for definitely like $115 now, at least. And with accessories, she's like $150, $130, like seriously. And so AG dolls are quite expensive. So it's always great and recommended to get them secondhand. And I found her for $60. And so yeah, she is so cute. Okay, so I tried to get like her Mary Janes attached. They kind of are, but not too well. but they are really cute and do fit her nice, and they're perfect with her outfit. And the like flowers at the bottom were so 60s, so that's adorable and on point. But yes, she is so cute. Her hair is not that bad, at least in my opinion. Like seriously, when I saw her listed for like $60, I was like, that is such a score. I can't resist her. And so yeah, I was so excited to find her. But the thing is, she's on Mercari, and with Mercari's new shipping prices, it's expensive. So it like literally added like 20. So it was like more like 80 when it should have been 60. So that really sucks, because usually it was not like that before. Like Mercari, their prices were way better with shipping. So yeah, that's the one downside. But she is so cute and gorgeous. I love her. I really wanted her like the first time I saw her, because I love the 60s. I'm super into 60s fashion, love like this type of print. Like this is one of my favorite dresses. Like, so to have like that green blue color palette, I'm really inspired by Mon fashion. So I love that she has the most like gorgeous, beautiful clothing, like her pajama set. Like she is a great line. And so I'm so excited to have her, because she's gorgeous and she's so cute. Like just looking at her like in the little camera, like she is just amazing. So I'm so excited, and especially to have her right now, because I'm gonna go to the AG Cafe again soon. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna twin with her, and it's gonna be great. And yeah, so she is so gorgeous. Her dress is that green, and like I forget if it's called like dog tooth or something. I forget the specific name of this kind of pattern. I'll like put the title of it if I can. But it is so pretty, because it's, yeah, like this pastel, very like Easter green and blue. Like these colors are just gorgeous. I love 60s and 70s color palettes and like modern fashion for girls and women. It was so bright and fun and playful, and that is just everything to me. And so Melody's style is just 10 out of 10 for me. So I'm so excited to have her as a doll. She's so cute. And so I can't wait to twin with her. I think she's in great condition. She looks amazing. Her eyes work. She's so cute. Like I don't see any scrapes on her, which is crazy, because this is a secondhand doll. I seriously got so lucky. I can't even believe it. She's so pretty. I love her. I love her so much. And so obviously I'm gonna just sit her to the side. But not only did I get her, but I got a gorgeous American Girl doll pet, my first BG pet. So I like never even bought like an Our Generation pet for my girls, but I always wanted them. I always like, you know, like when you circled all the American Girl doll stuff you want for Christmas, I always like circled little dogs. Like I really wanted Molly's dog or Coconut, and I might get them secondhand one day, but I got a doggy that like it was listed with her. So I was like, oh, this is just such a score. And she is so cute, and it does have an American Girl tag. So it is American Girl, and it's from 2015. So I don't know, is this Grace's dog? Oh, I don't remember Grace having a dog, but oh my gosh, oh, the limbs moving, so cute. Cause yeah, you know, they could pose like it looking like they're like sitting up. That is so cute. Stop. That is really cute. Like they could, oh my gosh, this is just such an adorable dog. And what great toys. Like, and the head can turn a bit. Wow, I didn't even know that. Wow. And yeah, like could have them play. So cute. What the heck? AG, okay, AG pets are so worth it. Those prices were always crazy to me, but like look how cute, like their little bendable limbs and all that. And so yeah, they're so cute. Let me know if you guys know which one this is. I'll do my research after I film the video, obviously, and maybe put the name. But this like color is so gorgeous. It's this pastel pink with this little heart, and it has a tiara. Like, are you kidding me? That's so cute, like Sharpay Evans. So gorgeous. So yeah, this may be Grace's dog. I don't remember if Grace is the 2015 Girl of the Year or not. I have this feeling she is, but I may be totally off. But she's so cute, and I'm so excited to have this new little doggy and an AG pet finally. So that's so fun. So yes, what great finds, and they're so cute and they look so great together. Like this, I forget which dog she has, but it does kind of look like her dog, you know? But yeah, she's so cute and her new pet, and I am just so happy with my new purchase. This was just such a great find, and I don't regret the purchase at all. You know, as a dog collector, and especially being in college, you have to like watch your funds all the time and not just succumb into every purchase. But oh my gosh, as someone who's been wanting an AG for like over a year again, been waiting out on it secondhand, looking for over a year, this was the doll I've been really wanting and finally succumbed to. So worth it, because she's gorgeous and everything, and we twin like perfect. You know, like I have this outfit and I'm totally gonna twin with her to the cafe. So I'm so excited, and I give her a 10 out of 10. I will put the Mercari seller if I can, because they have tons of AG stuff and I think their prices were great. So I think I'll try to put like an image of the seller's like user, or just try to like put their name. But yeah, great experience, 10 out of 10. Love their stuff. I think I was a bit behind on the rating, so like that sucks, because I wish I gave them like 5 out of 5. Like that's how the seller gets their money, so try to rate them as quick as you can. I just had a busy week. But yeah, Mercari though, those buyer prices are crazy. Like it's not for sellers but for buyers, and it's making me kind of, you know, want to stay away from Mercari, and that's going to affect the sellers too. So that does suck about Mercari, and that's my one little comment about Mercari's new change and their prices. But besides that, love my new purchase. My Melody is amazing. My Melody. But literally, I love my girl so much. She's so gorgeous. I'm so happy with her. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of her, what you think of Melody. Who's your favorite historical girl? Yeah, if you guys watched this on Your Real One, and comment down below who your favorite historical American Girl doll is, or just AG doll in general. Or if you don't know American Girl, yeah, let me know what you think of them. Would you ever buy them? Are you not into them? Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching the haul. I really hope you enjoyed the video. And so yeah, thanks for tuning in, dollies, and I hope you have a great one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.